What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and a very happy Merry Christmas to you all wherever you're watching in the world. I hope you're having a great Christmas day, and yeah, comment below, let me know where you are in the world having your Christmas and what you're up to. I just said I'd make this quick video. This is past Shane, you know, because I'm at home now and I can't record videos at home back in Ireland. I live in the UK and all my setup is there and I have family around, so I won't be posting again after this till the 2nd. So I just want to make this quick video just to say, you know, Merry Christmas. Hope you're all doing well, and just to say thank you, because we're at the end of 2021. More thank you to people that have subscribed, have stuck with the channel and are supporting it and still liking and commenting below. You know, it really means a lot to me. Like, people don't get, when you're such a small channel and you're churning out content, YouTube is very difficult, and I want to make this channel succeed. I do want to get to a build and you know, give the long-term subscribers something that we can get to, and that's why I want to make this quick video just on where I am. So at the moment, guys, job wise, my job is paying me enough to survive for paying my rent. You know, paying my rent and getting through my bills, basically that is it. I don't have enough to be going out taking out a loan for a car or saving to get a project car. It's just not possible right now. But there is a but. I am on contract, so I'm contracted in my job. It's a pain in the ass, I don't like it, but I'm trying. I have a few options. I can go a limited company and then I can get more money to myself. If I do that, I might be able to get a project car. My second option that I'm looking at, guys, is I love traveling, and you know, it's a big thing for me. I'm trying to get a remote job. If I get a remote job where I can work anywhere in the world, the pay is going to be insane. I have 2 jobs I've done interviews for. They've come back to me saying that they do want to basically hire me, but I have to go through 1 or 2 things before I know I'm definitely getting it. If I get these jobs, I can go anywhere in the world with them and work anywhere. And if I do get them, this will turn into a vlogging channel, because I will be going to Japan. My big plan for next year is Japan is top of my list. My friend lives there. I want to go there for 2 weeks. I want to try a drift school there, stuff like that, see all the JDM cars. I really want to get you that vlog. I really want to see Dubai for all the supercars. And I really want to go to Tanzania as well. I've never been to Africa. So, I mean, if I get these remote jobs, it's a big thing for me. I can go anywhere, do vlogs for cars and stuff. And I just don't know if I can rotate it into getting a project car and travel at the same time. I'd have to see how the money is. Now, the pay for these jobs is really good. So my plan is, guys, I just have to see how it goes. You know, I'm going to be honest with you and let you know up front whenever stuff is going on. In saying that, my setup now, this is just the setup I have, guys. It's all I have. My ring light, I'm missing the bottom of the stands, the small bit to put it behind the camera so there's more light on me. I know that's a big thing. Basically, I am going to get a vlogging camera. I've decided I'm going to get a 4K vlogging camera, nothing too expensive, something on Amazon. I'm going to pick a very highly rated one and basically start, because the issue I'm having, guys, is I'm recording this on my phone. My phone is great and it's really high quality. The problem I'm having is my upload is so slow on my laptop and on my internet connection, and trying to change over wirelessly, downloading them and stuff like that, it takes forever. So when I go to upload a video late in the evening at like 9, half 9, it's time for me to go to bed and I'm missing out and getting that video up for you guys. So a big thing for me is, in the new year, I'm going to buy a vlogging camera. I am planning to try and meet up with other car YouTubers in the UK. I'm here on my own. I need to find out, if you're from the UK, please let me know about car shows, car meets, best websites to check these things out. I want to go to dealerships as well. I've all this planning when the weather starts getting better. So that's the plans for the channel, guys. This is what's going on at the moment, just so I let you know, because this is for more of my regular subscribers. There's plans in the work, but as the months go by, I will keep you updated. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you are having a very good Christmas again, and again, thanks for supporting the channel, guys. It means a lot to me, and it's good to talk to you in the comments, and you just smashing the like button, and hopefully you like my videos and it keeps you entertained. It's a bit different. I know from Life of Palos, he's news, I'm not. It's just, you know, I won't bullshit you. It's just a straight fucking talking, this is what I say. And that's just the way it is. So yeah, guys, again, I'm going to cut it here. Thanks a million. Hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Hope you have some great plans and you get what you want. And yeah, don't get too fucking fat and just enjoy your alcohol and enjoy your time with your family. So until the 2nd of January, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.